What's the meaning of bunfight? Bunfight. Bunfight.
Bunfight. Bunfight. The term bunfight is often used in British English to describe a situation in which there is a heated argument or dispute, typically over trivial matters. It can also refer to a chaotic or disorganized event, such as a poorly planned social gathering or meeting. The result of a bunfight is often a lot of noise and commotion, but little progress or resolution of the underlying issues. People may become frustrated or angry, and relationships may be strained as a result. Ultimately, a bunfight is usually seen as a waste of time and energy that could be better spent on more productive endeavors.